Lists use square brackets. Tuples use parentheses. But this syntax difference hides something much more important: whether your data can change after you create it. Lists are mutable. You can add items, remove them, or change values at any index. Tuples are immutable. Once you create a tuple, you cannot modify it. Try to change a tuple element, and Python raises a type error. This immutability is the fundamental difference between these two data structures. Lists give you flexibility to modify your collection. Tuples give you the guarantee that your data won't accidentally change. Because tuples can't change, they're hashable. That means you can use tuples as dictionary keys or add them to sets. Lists aren't hashable, so they can't be used this way. Tuples also have better memory efficiency and faster performance. Python can optimize immutable objects more aggressively than mutable ones. The difference is small for tiny collections but matters at scale. So when do you use each? Use tuples for fixed collections that shouldn't change. Coordinates, RGB color values, database records. Use lists for dynamic collections where you'll add, remove, or modify elements. Shopping carts, task lists, user input. Think of tuples as contracts. This data is what it is. Think of lists as workspaces. This data will evolve. Lists and tuples differ in mutability, which affects everything from syntax to use cases. Choose lists when your data needs to change, tuples when it doesn't. Now practice this question in your next mock interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.